Kenya, I send my love, strength, courage to you in this time. I know it's a serious time, and it's a time that I call on the great leaders of your country to listen to the people. Yo, the people need to be heard. I pray for peace in your country. I pray for strength, togetherness, unity, oneness. I pray that the leaders, I ask the leaders to come together, unite, listen to the people, and make the country a greater country. Kenya is great, but I want it, I pray that it becomes even greater. The people have a right to a peaceful protest. I hope that the government, the leaders of the country will allow the people to protest peacefully, and that the people too will also protest peacefully so that their voices can be heard. It is already being heard around the world. More love, more strength. Let's get together. Tuko pamoja. Togetherness, unity. Together, we strong. Divided, we fall. Let's get together. Best in love.
Today's events mark a critical turning point on how we respond to grave threats to our national security. A situation of this nature will not recur again at whatever cost.
The president has successfully captured parliament. He has successfully captured the judiciary. The only surviving sovereign power is the people. We as the people of Kenya have no problem with paying taxes, but we want to see what the value of our money is doing.